Hi, this is BookingTheTube. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I want to show you how to fix your sound on Skype. Whether your speaker is not working or your microphone is not working. I made a video previously and it can solve some of very complicated problems, but your problem might be a simpler problem. And in this video, I want to show you how to do that. First, you go to the Skype, then click on these three dots. Then select settings. In the setting, the most important part is audio and video. Select that. As soon as I select that, you can see my video start to turn on and tells me what camera I've got. You also can click here and check what you have. Then you can scroll down and check your microphone. You can also click here and see what other microphones you have. You might have two microphones, one might be working and one might not be working, so select the one you are interested in. And the speaker also can be different speakers connected to your computer, and you should select the right speaker here, the one that you're interested. It could be that it's connected to your headphone. Your computer here is actually connected to your speaker. The two sometimes don't match, and I've seen that as one of the major issues with Skype, that for some reason the speaker selected for your computer is different than the speaker selected for your Skype setting, and hence you can't hear anything from the other person. So this is very important consideration. For example, if I change here to headphones, if I go back here, you can see it is still speakers. So be very careful of that and make sure you have the right one. Even during the call, you are able to change these settings. While you're talking with the other person, you can change the setting. You don't need to turn off the conversation to be able to change this setting. Again, if you have any other questions on Skype or any other issues with any other items in IT, I'm here to help. Ask that in the comments below, and I hope to see you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.